Hey, hey you, do you have anything to do? Please come to my concert, Southwestern College, Mayan Hall. 4 p.m., $7 for students, $10 regular price. Jazz and concert and chamber singers too. And if you attend, there might be snacks in the end. So please do for me, come and see my concert. You'll see Tori, Lexi, Damien, Camilla, and Mariah, Haley, Jazzy, Alexa, Oscar, and Renata, Shelly, Dominique, Priscilla, and Jeanette, Manny, Vinny, Angela, Ava, and Ria, Esteban, Jennifer, Robert, and Amber, Maricela, Lori, Lauren, Ria, and David, BJ, Carmen, Daisy, Dr. Russell, and Juan. I'm sorry if I've missed anyone. I wrote this at 10 p.m. last night. I hope you think this song's alright. So please come to our concert, Southwestern College, Mayan Hall. 4 p.m., $7 for students, $10 regular price. There's a raffle and you could win a prize. It's tonight. Be there or be square.